Hey, welcome back. Let's make some quick whipped coffee. All right, first I started out with my Starbucks instant coffee. To get a better, stiffer peak, you would use regular coffee, but I'm just going to do 3 tablespoons of that, then 3 tablespoons of sugar, and then 3 tablespoons of water. So it's just that simple. And then you're going to whip it all up until it stiffens up and goes into a peak. Now you can serve it over your favorite milk. I'm going to use almond milk, a bit of ice, and then a few scoops of the coffee, and that is it. And then you can enjoy one of the top coffee treats going on right now. If you like, give it a big old thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.